NASA has awarded Firefly Aerospace a new lunar mission under the CLPS program. The $176.7 million contract covers the delivery of advanced scientific instruments and rovers to the lunar South Pole. The mission, scheduled for 2029, is part of the Commercial Lunar Payload Services program, which supports commercial companies in building infrastructure for future lunar missions. NASA is thus continuing its strategy of engaging the private sector in space exploration. Firefly Aerospace will utilize the Elytra orbital vehicle and the Blue Ghost lunar lander for this purpose. According to the mission's objectives, Elytra will remain in orbit for more than 5 years, supporting surface activities, both communications and observation. The Ocula module, which allows for high-resolution imaging, will also be on board. 5 payloads, 2 rovers. The Blue Ghost lander will carry 5 important scientific payloads, 2 rovers, including the Moonranger developed by NASA and a rover from the Canadian Space Agency, the LIMS mass spectrometer, the LRA laser retroreflector, and the SCALP stereoscopic cameras, previously tested. The experiments will focus on, among other things, analyzing the composition of the lunar soil, studying dust kicked up by the engines, and identifying potential environmental hazards. Water and hydrogen on the Moon, high hopes for scientists. Scientists have high hopes for the detection of resources such as water ice and hydrogen, essential for the long-term operation of manned missions. The area of the Moon's south pole is particularly promising due to its permanently shadowed craters. Future-proof systems. As noted by Chris Clark, Firefly's Vice President of Spacecraft Operations, Elytra and Blue Ghost are complementary systems designed utilizing common components, propulsion systems, and architecture. This design allows for flexible mission planning, extending their duration, and creating infrastructure to support subsequent stages of lunar exploration. Firefly encourages collaboration between both space agencies and private partners, offering modular transportation solutions. Source: polskeosmosu.pl. Photo: Firefly Aerospace.